Man, it's like, it's beautiful how this all started, you know? But, I'ma just break this shit down for you real quick. Yeah, check, yo. I'm just spitting, living, revealing what I do. Roll with the family. Every time I step up to venues, I gotta pursue. Have deadlines to meet, and gotta finish them before the late night creeps. So as I speak over beats, never sleep. Oh, never egotistical, never cliche or stereotypical from the heart. Whether it's concept or rhyme, I rub it in, leave you feeling warm all at the same time. Mash it out on you broads, but this ain't Escobar, it's G, baby. Gab Lane, Gab Lish, or Gab Nasty. Whatever cheesy alias you wanna call me. You get the point, get the picture, read my lips. Catch my drift, your girl was born with a gift, but I'm humble as well. Only 5 feet tall, but rising high as hell. With acrylic nails and a white blouse to match. Reeking like a weed stash, who would've known? This is what I do, uplift your body and spirit.
That's what she said.
Soothe your mind every time you hear me rhyme. From line to line, recognize I'm not trying to be the lyrical champion. Just your ordinary MC. Let you know music is what I do and breathe. Anybody but the stage, foot to the teeth. Cause these lyrics are my love and I don't take them lightly. So who's rapping now? Cause nowadays that's new style. But listen to the rappers that influencing these juveniles. How could this happen? It's something so true. But it's been said, so the ongoing saga continues. Let me brief you a little piece of myself. I'm a nicotine fiend with knees. Don't like my weed with seeds. Rather compromise and disagree. Cause I understand the position of your 2 feet. Forget making enemies, but that's just me. Some cats are difficult. They shouldn't your senses and enhance your tempo. But I'm able to blow your ass back. Cause I'm not trying to be skimpy in these raps. Perhaps you should take a second while the record's spinning. What is it that you're saying? Are your bitches banging? Well, whatever it is, I give you the biz. Influence these kids to get your hands up. Do some real hip hop shit. So I'm up, uplift your body and spirit. Bump the beats loud so you can hear it. Soothe your mind every time you hear me rhyme. From line to line, recognize I'm not trying to be the lyrical champion. Just your ordinary MC. Let you know music is what I do and breathe. Anybody but the stage, foot to the teeth. Cause these lyrics are my love and I don't take them lightly.
All of ours, little feel-good music by the Globetrotters, food for thought lyricism by Disco. And I know it gets tough out there, you know what I'm saying? The struggle's for real. Come on, maybe this'll help you out, man. I know you gotta make your runs, but man, spend some time with your daughter or your son. Take a day or two to show them some fun. Play your part as a dad. Be responsible for what they become. Cause maybe that long talk, firm hug, and that laugh will help your kid read fluently and better at math. It's gonna take more than just the school staff to prepare them for the struggle that awaits in their path. It takes love. Come on. You want the cars and the raw chains, but you don't thank the Lord above for the small things. The food in your fridge, your girl or your wife, the source of it all, the one who brings the drive in your life. Don't get me twisted, be about your bread, but let the truth be said. You'll go so further if you pray before you go to bed. I put my heart in this song because I've seen hate stirring us wrong, but we can fix it with love.
The Globetrotters take your soul a ride. Put all the pain and the strain and the stress aside. Release yourself, don't be ashamed, do what you feel inside. Throw up your hands, show some love, love. The Globetrotters take your soul a ride. Put all the pain and the strain and the stress aside. Release yourself, don't be ashamed, do what you feel inside. The Globetrotters show some love, 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 love.
I got love for the first rapper paving the way to the highest paid rapper today. Show the young inner city kid another way of living, who could have been another nigga dead or in prison. Although the block brought me stress, the block made me fresh. The block propped me and wished me the best. So when the homies got it rough out there, we just reminisce the old days, rolling while we put it in the air out of love. We throw the family get-togethers, backyard in the summer, party with no drama, and dance with our mamas. The Pac's dear mama.